Hi everyone, I'm Esther. Now I'm going to teach you all how to create a new customer profile in SQL Accounting. To create a new customer profile in SQL Accounting, start by clicking the New button. Enter the customer details such as company name, Control A, C, code, registration no, and customer category. Under the General section, fill in the required fields including branch name, address, country, postcode, attention, phone, email, area, agent, currency, credit terms, statement, aging on, price tag, and e-invoice submission. Next, configure the credit control settings. This section determines whether transactions should be blocked or allowed, based on the criteria defined in the customer profile. You may also add additional notes such as the account opening date for reference. Under the tax information section, enter all relevant details such as TIN number, tourism tax number, and other applicable tax information. Finally, check the bank account details to ensure all information is accurate. Once everything is complete, click Save to store the new customer profile.